Hello. So this is a character effects little video. I just ran this shot and I noticed that the body is coming through the shirt right here on the left armpit and the right armpit. So I think we could go to this skin finaling layer before the cloth simulation and do a bit of finaling or cleanup for the intersection. So we could do, for example, a group paint, and then we could use that group to use SoftPeak. So let's get into it. So this is frame, let's see, could use frame 57. So we'll go into skin, go to 57. So right now this skin is already cached out. We want just this area. So we could turn our shirt. So our shirt is on. Oh. We just need to go right here, show all objects. So now we can see everything. We could go here, delete this. So this is my skin cache. So after the skin cache, we're going to do group paint. Group paint. There we go. We'll call this armpits. And then we'll click on here and we'll click enter. So now we could paint. So let's see, the one hit there, that's all red. And I'll hit this area. Oh, you can see we hit too far right there. So we could Control Z or middle click for the background color. And we could check another frame maybe. So right now it looks like I lost the visibility, so let's try clicking enter, and now I can see everything again. So you can see it's missing this area, so I'll go ahead and I'll paint that as well. So it's looking good. Go back to our camera. Maybe a little bit too far on the arm. Go back to that. And click enter again. And so right now my brush is a little big, so I'll hold Control Shift, left mouse drag, and then I'll just middle click right here. So now that's off. So I think that's good for now. And then so after this group paint, I'm just gonna tab and do soft peak. Put that right there. And so if you make this bigger, it's gonna make him bigger. If you go minus, it'll make him smaller. So this is 0.01. You can see he got slightly bigger. So maybe even bigger. If we make it negative, he's going to get smaller, as you can see. So right now this is on the entire body. We don't want that. We just want it on those areas that we painted. So if we go back to our group paint, we called this armpits group. So back on the SoftPeak, we're going to go here and we're going to select armpits group. And now it applied our fixes. So if we disable this SoftPeak, you're going to see that there's our issue. Turn it back on. There we go. And SoftPeak is nice because it applies our deformation but also has a soft radius, so it helps smooth out some areas. So maybe on the arm, for example, maybe it's smoothing that out too much, so yeah, we're losing a bit of volume on the arm. So let's see if we could adjust that. So soft radius 0, that completely fixed it, but then we're losing that soft radius. So maybe we want something smaller, 0.1. So that's still too strong. Maybe split the difference. It's starting to get there. A little bit of deformation on the arm. Just a tiny bit, so maybe even smaller, maybe 3. Yep, it's looking pretty good to me. So it's just a quick video on finaling, and then you could just go back to your camera and right click here, flip book with no new settings, and start that to double check your changes.